Welcome to the Matheson Method. I'm Chase Matheson, and I'm going to be showing you how to use Tubebuddy to SEO your videos and optimize them to get more views. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I use Tubebuddy to get more views in my videos. I'm an affiliate of Tubebuddy, and if you want to buy it, you can use my link in the description to save you money. This also helps me by giving me a percentage at no extra cost to you. There is a free version of Tubebuddy. You can click my link and download that as well if you just want to get a feel for how Tubebuddy runs. But let's get into it. If you end up downloading Tubebuddy, it's going to want to put an extension into your internet browser. Now you're going to connect Tubebuddy to your YouTube channel. And you may be wondering why it needs so many permissions or control of your YouTube account. And this is just so it can utilize all of the amazing features to help grow your channel. And don't worry, Tubebuddy is verified by YouTube for you to use on your channel. So now that you have Tubebuddy installed and connected to your YouTube channel, you can decide what subscription you want, or if you want to stay on the free side for now. As of right now, there are 3 different subscriptions you could get, either the Pro, Legend, or Star, and they all have different tools and access to certain tools depending on which subscription you get. With the free version, you do have access to the Keyword Explorer, the upload checklist, and other things like that, but they will be limited. It will show you a few tags in the recommended tag section, but if you want more, you're definitely going to have to pay. Also, the same thing goes for the Keyword Explorer, where you'll see the top 3 search results, and you only get to search 25 things per day. And this is just a few of the many tools you get for free, but with limited access. I highly recommend getting a subscription for Tubebuddy if you like it. And this video isn't sponsored. I'm just a true believer in how useful this tool is to optimize your channel to get the most views possible. Another really cool thing is if you're just starting out and you tick the box that says you're under 1,000 subscribers, you get a huge discount. And if you pay annually, you also get a little discount doing that as well. Let me know down in the comment section how many of you guys use Tubebuddy or are planning on using Tubebuddy in the future. I use the Pro version and it's been perfect for me. When I'm planning out a video, I use the Keyword Explorer to see if I can rank for that video topic I'm thinking about. And even before I start recording, I try and find my title or my keywords just to see how much search traffic there is or how much competition there will be. Your title is super important because this is how your video has a chance to be seen on YouTube. And if no one's searching your title or your keywords, you're not going to be seen because you're just starting out on YouTube. And you won't be shown in the suggested feed of other content creators yet, meaning YouTube search should be one of your top priorities. To give you an example, if I searched up how to grow on YouTube, you'll see that it's not searched that much and there's a huge amount of competition. So these keywords aren't the best to use. But if you look over in the related searches section, it gives you plenty of options to choose from. I'll normally go through these until I find one that has a good green search volume and competition rating. You can also look at the common tags for keyword ideas as well. There is also an unweighted and weighted overall score. When you select weighted, it's showing you a score analysis for your personal channel. And when you go unweighted, it's an overall analysis for the keywords that you're searching. And this is the only option you get in the free version. But in a nutshell, this is how I use the Keyword Explorer to find titles that will be searched and tags that will be ranking high. After you figure out your video's title, you can search it in YouTube and go to another creator's video. And Tubebuddy has this really cool feature where it'll show you their video analytics and the tags they are using on their video. The Videolytics will show you their SEO score, which will tell you how many tags they're using in either their title or description and some other great info. You can look at what tags they've tried to target and see if any will work for you. And you can click on them. Tubebuddy will open them up in the Keyword Explorer and give you the unweighted and weighted overall scores. This can really help you come up with titles you may not have thought of or give you a really good direction to head in. Another tool that I use every video is in the video details section, and this shows you the best practices to get a good SEO score and the highest optimization possible for your video. Also down below, there's a recommended tag section where you can organize the tags and how relevant they are to your video or how high the keyword score is. I like using the keyword score because they're still pretty relevant to your video, but the highest ranking tag keywords come first. You can see an overall score beside them and a corresponding color depending on how strong that keyword is going to perform for you. You can find a better title sometimes by using these high ranking tags. Now you can go to the SEO studio and type in your targeted keyword. It's going to give you a list of things to do to get the best SEO optimization to rank for that targeted keyword. Make sure to finish the how to improve your score list, and this will make sure your video has a ranking title and a good description to boot. Putting your keywords in your title and description is very important to get your videos ranking and should be your main focus. Now that you've seen some ways that Tubebuddy can really help you out, come join the over 1 million users that use this to optimize their videos to perfection. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my YouTube growth videos, or you can watch another one right now.